To manage nutrition goals on MyFitnessPal app, firstly open the app. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything, making mistakes. Click on the profile icon. You have to click on this mark. Click on my goals here. You can see here nutrition goals. You can check your nutrition goals of your calories, carbohydrates, proteins and fats here by meals, and you can also add your nutritional goals here. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.